Now, when you start facing multiple issues on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, like Windows not working very slow, Windows file seems to be corrupted, or problem with the internet, or any other issues on your Windows, you think of finally resetting your device to its factory settings. But resetting PC is always not a good option, as it takes a long time and you may lose your application or file as well. But the tool that I will be sharing today is an amazing and a free tool that will be helping you to fix multiple Windows problems without resetting. Alright, so I will leave the link in the description. You can come to the Windows Club page, and the name of the tool is FixWin 11 for Windows 11 and for Windows 10. Alright, so you can come to this website and you can read about it, that what exactly it offers, like offer fixes to resolve multiple problems related to Windows File Explorer, Internet and connectivity, system fixes, common Windows update problem, and many more things. System tool, advanced system information, troubleshooter, additional fixers, so many things. So let's see what all it offers and how exactly it works. So in order to download, you will have to come to the very bottom of the page and you will find this option, download FixWin, with the blue button. You need to click on download file and the file will be quickly downloaded in a zip file. So open the downloaded zip file, right click on it, click on extract all, click on extract. Now here you need to look for a file by the name FixWin11.2.exe. This is an application file. So right click on it, click run as admin, click on yes, and bingo. So you will be getting this kind of dashboard, FixWin11.2. So the left hand side you can see multiple categories like File Explorer, Internet and connectivity, system fixes, system tool, troubleshooters, and additional fixes. Alright, so we will discuss and check all of them. And let's start with the welcome here, where it will display your device information, like which version of Windows 11 or 10 you're using, what is your processor, your RAM. Below, you find 4 very useful tool here. System File Checker utility. And it says, we suggest you to run System File Checker to fix corrupted system files, if any. Alright. So if you feel that you have any corrupted system file on your computer, then you can simply click on it, click on OK. A black window of command prompt will be up and it will be scanning your computer for any corrupted system file, for any integrity violation. On Windows 10, probably you won't see this kind of black window coming. It will come up, but it will disappear, I guess. So you can minimize it and wait until it's all been done. Next is re-register store application. If some store application corrupt and are unable to start, re-register them through the PowerShell. So especially if you have any problem with the Microsoft Store, you can basically fix with this tool. So again, make a one click on it. It will bring up the PowerShell and it will automatically work on it to re-register the application. So you don't have to do anything. Simply wait until it's all been done. And meanwhile, you can minimize it. Then you have the create a restore point option. So I would recommend you that before we proceed with the troubleshooting here, before we proceed with the tweak here, you can create a restore point. And it's very simple. Click on create, type a restore name here, then click on create. And very quickly a restore point will be created. Alright, now last one here is repair Windows system image. It says using DISM repair corrupt Windows component store. Again, very useful tool if you feel that you have the problem with the system image, your Windows 11 or Windows 10 image. You can run this tool. Again, very simple. Just make a one click on it and this will bring up the command prompt and it will be running the DISM scan and it will be repairing the system image if there is any kind of problem. Alright, now let's come to the dashboard again, and this time if I click on File Explorer from the left hand side, you can see how many options are being here. Recycle bin icon is missing from the desktop, you can fix it. File Explorer option is missing from control panel or has been disabled, you can fix it. Fix recycle bin when its icon doesn't refresh automatically. Alright, you can also fix this, and these are some problems that basically many users face. And when they search for this kind of topic, they don't get any kind of solution on the YouTube or on the Google. But here you get each and every solution, even the small problem about which most of the people doesn't talk about. Then we have Explorer doesn't start on the startup in Windows, thumbnails not showing in the File Explorer, resets recycle bin is corrupted, you can fix it. CD drive or DVD drive isn't recognized, class not registered. Show hidden files folder and drive option isn't shown in the folder option, can also be fixed from here. Then you have the internet and connectivity. So from here, you can fix multiple internet issues you have on your device, like couldn't connect to the internet. There's some problem in internet protocol. You can fix it. So if you click on it, it says you have successfully applied this fix. A reboot may be required to see the changes. And if not, then you can come to other fix here, like problem regarding the DNS resolution. Fix it by clearing DNS resolver cache. You can do that by one click and it will be done. Long list of failed and installed application, clear Windows update history. You can do that by clicking on fix. Problem with Windows firewall setting, reset Windows firewall configuration. Internet option are missing in setting under advanced tab. Difficulty connecting internet. Telnet is not required. So this is all you would be getting in the system and connectivity. Then we have system fixes. Windows component store is corrupted. Repair it using the deployment, imaging and servicing management. All right, you can do that. Reset setting application. Now, many of you might have the problem with the setting application. As I have seen people reporting that the setting application is not opening up. It's opening up, but it doesn't display anything. So if you have any issues like that with the Windows 11 setting or Windows 10 setting as well, you can fix it by just clicking on fix on the right hand side. Then you can disable the OneDrive. Start menu doesn't open or doesn't work in Windows 11. Wi-Fi doesn't work after upgrading to Windows 11. Windows update and downloading update after upgrading. There are multiple entries of OneDrive in File Explorer. You can also fix that. Windows Sandbox. Many of you might have the issues with opening the Windows Sandbox. You can also fix by making one click over here. Windows update error. So if you have any update error while updating your Windows 10 or 11, then you can run this tweak. You can run the fix. And after that, you can try in order to successfully update your Windows. Battery remaining time not visible in the battery layout. So you can also fix that if you have such issues on your laptop. Then we have system tool. And in the system tool, it says task manager has been disabled by your administrator. Now, this problem can be especially with the people who work in any kind of organization, or if you are a kid, probably your parents have applied many kind of changes here, disabled many kind of settings. And if you really want to use these settings, then you can also fix it here. Like task manager has been disabled, then you can fix it. Command prompt has been disabled, then you can fix it. Registry editor, you can enable it. Reset Windows search to default. This will fix issues related to the Windows search. So if you have any issues with the Windows search, you can also fix that. System restore has been disabled, then you can also fix that. Device manager isn't working properly. Repair Windows Defender, reset all Windows Defender settings. So if you have issues with the Windows security, then you can also use this fix over here. And so on. Action Center and Windows Security, reset Windows Security settings to default. And then you have the troubleshooters. And if you come to the troubleshooter, you find many troubleshooter options like recording audio troubleshooter, printer troubleshooter, power troubleshooter, network adapted troubleshooter. So even if you are using Windows 11 and these options are being removed from Windows 11, still you can use it to fix many kind of problem. So let's say if I have the problem with my network adapter, I will click on it and you will see that it will give me this option that we used to have before. And if I click on next, it will detect the problem and will ask me that which adapter you have the problem with. So I will choose Wi-Fi. So now it's resolving the problem. So let's see whether it fixed or not, whether it works or not. All right, and bingo. So you can see the Wi-Fi adapter is being disabled. This was the reason, this was the problem. And on the right hand side, you can see it's being fixed. So this way you can fix many kind of problem, either you have with the network, with the audio, with the power, or any other options. Next, we have additional fixes. So here you can enable the hibernate. If the hibernate option is missing from the shutdown policies, you can bring it back. Restore the sticky note. Arrow snap, arrow peak, or arrow shake isn't working, then you can fix it. Icons are corrupted, fix and rebuild corrupted. Taskbar notification has been disabled. Windows script host access, Office, document, the recovery image. Now you also have the quick fixes here. If you click on the quick fixes tab, you can reset the group policy setting, reset the notepad to default, reset the WinSock, reset DNS cache, reset settings application, reset the keyboard settings. So many fixes and many options are being displayed over here. Alright guys, so this way you can fix multiple problems. Instead of going and resetting your PC, you can apply this settings from here only. So very useful and very effective tool to fix multiple issues on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And that's all guys for today. Hopefully you found the video useful. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.